Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a little bit of information on what you do in order to get linked into debit card profits levels and everything, so that we can actually get you set up with our company and make you money. Okay, make you lots of money, because you're going to get a capture page just like the one you came from. You're going to get a payment of $10 from each person that joins under you. You're also going to get the pages that you saw when you joined and you paid your $10 for the membership. And this is going to be duplicatable over and over and over again. You can make $10 for each membership. Basically, you don't make $10, you make $7.50 for each time that somebody joins debit card profits levels. Furthermore, we show you how to make more money than that, because we're going to be sending you emails and everything, and there are other pages that are going to get you going with the the levels and everything if you upgrade to those levels. So okay, here's what we do first. We go in to this page, and if you notice on this page, it's got a click here to see if you qualify. Okay, this page opens up, and as you can see on here, it's got all of the different countries that ClickBank is in. You should have gotten a ClickBank account, or you should be able to get a ClickBank account if you find yourself on this page. Hopefully that's the way that's going to work out. But what you do is you create a ClickBank account by clicking on that link right there. And the real important thing to remember here is that when you get to the bank information, all they want is a bank closest to your home, the name of a bank closest to your home. Put that in there and you can continue on, and you can get your username there. So that's the end of this video, because this is what you do in step 1. In step 2, you're going to fill out this information down here, and you're going to give us your ClickBank username with this information, and that way we can build your page for you. We can give you your we can pay for your not pay for, but we can give you your capture page, and that's got an autoresponder along with that capture page, and it's going to send out emails for you on your behalf, and it's going to send everybody over to your main page where they're going to pay for their membership at. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to it. And fill out the form below, get your ClickBank username, and let's get cracking on this. Thank you.